I have been asked to offer my views on Iqbal's attitude towards science and metaphysics, that is, science and religion. Metaphysics is usually used interchangeably with religion. So I would elucidate it at the outset briefly. Firstly, his attitude is that of a splice between science and religion. Secondly, it's an attitude of division of labor between science and metaphysics. These two are the foundational principles. Iqbal goes beyond that, and there are two more points that need to be taken into consideration. And a few remarks about this can put these 4 points in perspective. Firstly, religion and science, both these forces are permanent fixtures in history. The obvious question is, how is they are to get along? Iqbal was the sage who, while reformulating the classical perspective of the Islamic tradition on the nature of reality, while both in his prose and poetry, offered fresh insights about how religion and science are to get along. And something should be immediately added after that we must be careful here, for science cannot take a single step towards proving transcendence. But what it proves in its own domain, in the way of unity, interrelatedness, the immaterial, and the awesome, makes it one of the most powerful symbols of transcendence our age affords. Iqbal had critiqued the Newtonian view of reality in 1929 in these words: classical physics has learned to criticize its own foundations. As a result of this criticism, the kind of materialism which it originally necessitated is rapidly disappearing. And the day is not far off when religion and science may discover hitherto unsuspected mutual harmonies. And this is what is being said in contemporary discourse as well. For example, the developments in science have undercut a kind of crass Newtonian view of reality as consisting of ultimate little atoms that are unrelated to one another. Our century has undercut that. The interrelation between the parts of being, which David Bohm emphasizes with his concept of implicate wholeness, clearly is a move back toward the unity which all traditional philosophies, metaphysics of the East always emphasized. Fourth, quantum mechanics has suggested that the universe isn't built out of atoms or any other absolute or indivisible particles, but rather is a complex interaction of energetic processes arising from the pure potentiality. This is not to say that our present ideas about physics will prove to be the last word, but whatever the future may bring, it is safe to conclude that a return of mechanism is not on the cards.